Before we continue, would you mind subscribing to this channel? We've been doing lots of work, engaging with lots of brands and bringing you the best of everything that's available in the market. We cannot otherwise without your support. We need your support to continue to engage with brands and bring the latest and greatest in tech. Additionally, why we ask for your support is because we specifically ask for discounts for our viewers, and they will all be exclusive discounts through MyNextBest. So all we ask is to continue to support the channel. This family needs to grow bigger, so we're stronger, better together. So we work with the brands to bring bigger and better discounts for you guys. Thank you so much if you've subscribed. Let's continue. What's up guys, you're watching MyNextBest, and as always, I've got yet another absolutely amazing tech for you guys. It's a CarPlay device. It's one of the cheapest ways to hook up your phone to your car. The only bit worth considering is that it only works with cars that support wired CarPlay. So if your car doesn't support CarPlay at all, then it's not for you. And if you already got a wireless CarPlay, then it's obviously not for you as well. So it's basically for the lot in the middle. So really it's the easiest way to get wireless CarPlay. What's this gadget? It's here. This is the one. This is the gadget. So in the UK, in the US, it is available on Amazon, and we'll have all the links available in the description. So have a look at that. So you could get yours as well. In this video, we're going to be opening the box and we're going to be looking at the box contents. And once we've done that, we're going to head straight into the car and we'll have a look at how this is to be installed, how the UI looks and what you can do, what sort of apps you can install, what the initial config's like, and basically get it up and running in the car. So without any further ado, let's open the box and see what we have inside. Alright, so here's the box that we have, and one thing you'd rather immediately notice is that this is really light, extremely light. It does come in an Amazon, like those pamphlet type boxes that they send, and it does come in that, and inside you get this plastic pouch. And let's quickly open it up and have a look at what's inside. Okay, so here's the box, and obviously it says wireless CarPlay. There's the CarPlay, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signs on the box, and there's all these different apps. So there's CE, FC, ROHS certification, which is pretty good. It says wired to wireless CarPlay. That's what we're looking for, right? So okay, so let's quickly just get rid of this plastic package. On this side, there's some more information about support for connecting wireless CarPlay. Dimensions and weight have all been listed over here. So yeah, really nothing. Honestly, it doesn't carry any weight. It's really feather light. Okay, so what do we have in the box? Give it a little push. There you are. Okay, black box. What did we get inside? Right, so, wow, looks pretty good. Rather small, like the smallest boxes that I've ever seen. Okay, and the Type-C port over here. There's the microphone probably, and LED light I suppose, and the front looks pretty good, car logo. And if you look at this from an angle, you'd see the FBINSE, the brand name mentioned on top of the box. Looks pretty good. What else do you have in the box? You get a Type-C cable, Type-C to C, and Type-C to Type A. That's the two cables that you get out of the box. And you also get the brand label, suitable for card type. It does also require your Apple kit to be iOS 10 and above, and your Android kit to be Android 11 and above, just to be mindful of that. And yeah, so there's technical support and stuff that's available, so you can obviously reach out to them on Facebook and their Gmail. Suitable for phone type, wireless CarPlay, iPhone 6 and above, iOS 10 and above, and wireless Android Auto. Instruction manual. It does explain, it's a quick explainer as to how you connect to your car. So how you basically link up to your car using this device, and this device basically becomes your wireless connection from your phone to your car. you connect wirelessly to this device. Both Apple and Android are supported, but this device of course is wired to your car. That's the connection diagram, the LED flashes and stuff that's mentioned over here. Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz, 5.8 GHz, Wi-Fi 6 is supported. Power input 5 volts, BT 5.0, power consumption 1.5 watts. Wireless CarPlay connection steps, everything's listed down over here. So it's pretty simple, straightforward. So basically you plug the product in your vehicle's USB port, then you turn on the iPhone's Bluetooth or your Android's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then connect the product's Bluetooth straight onto your phone, which is this FBINSE, and then just wait for the prompt for the connection. And once that is done, iPhone pop-up prompts, and then you can start to use the CarPlay. Pretty simple set of steps that are there. You need to obviously update the version online, via feedback, problem, etc. If you've got any problems, you can reach out to them on Facebook or online or email. There's also after sales service, so Facebook QR code and YouTube QR code is also listed over here. Email FBINSEofficial@gmail.com. Right, so there was also precautions. I might want to just quickly have a look at that. Download and install the Android Auto app from Google Play on your Android phone. Check if your phone supports wireless Android Auto. Right, so that's everything that you get in terms of documentation, in terms of everything that you get out of the box. Very simple, subtle installation steps. This device looks pretty cool. Very minimalistic design. It's just got a chip inside and the Type-C connection, so connect to the Type-C port and you're up and running. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything's pretty much embedded onto that chip, and that's then of course protected by the plastic cover on the top. So that's everything you get out of the box. Let's quickly head over to the car and get the device up and running. Right, so I've got my iPhone and I've got my Android, so I'm going to be plugging these two devices to the car and we'll see how it works. It's a bit cold, so I've just turned on heating. And let's see, let's turn on this flash. Hopefully it's all nice and visible. Right, so we've got this device here and it's got the Type-C, so we're going to quickly just use that. And in here we've got the USB-A connected to this box, the CarLink kit box that we have. I'm going to use the A and C, pretty much similar to what we've done, because this car does support Type A to Type C, so I'm going to just use that to get hooked up to the car. Okay, so you got the Type C. I'm going to put it on, nice and simple, and it should show up just now. I'm going to just get these cables and things. So please connect Bluetooth. I'm going to go straight on to my Bluetooth settings. Oh right, so there you have it. The FBINSE comms come here. This is what you needed to connect to. And access to contacts, let me just not give that access just yet. Okay, so that's connected, and are we already done? I have connected, but I don't see any connection here. Oh yes, yeah, that's connected now. So Android Auto just popped up, as you see, and I've got my maps just now. They're really cool. I'm so happy to see that. This is good. And recenter, it is basically the connection when you connect to the wires. This is what you get. And if I was to search for, let's say, connect to let's say Leeds. Simple. There's not too complicated stuff. Leeds. You get your location, 4 hours 11 minutes from where we are in London. You start. It all works pretty good. Avoiding toll. It gives me full location. I can navigate using the touch. The whole screen's all pretty much covered. I can navigate through all the different things here. So it does show 4G here, 4G network, and it does show my battery. It does show the time. It shows my location, etc. And yeah, it shows the way to get to Liverpool, nice and easy. From London, if you were to twist it, turn it, just go straight to Liverpool. Everything's very much accessible, the navigation, the touch, everything's very responsive. Of course the touch is off the car, but it's all responsive as well. No problems at all. As soon as you've got the Bluetooth and your Wi-Fi turned on, it does connect very quickly, and you have your things on here. And if I was to click on here, you get your Amazon Music. So you get access to your music, you get access to voice control. Take me to Newport.
Navigating to Newport. By the way, next time you can also press and hold the mic button on your steering wheel to ask me anything.
Press and hold the mic button. Let me do that. Hey, how are you?
I'm okay. Thank you for asking.
What's the temperature right now?
Currently it's 1 degree.
Hey Google, navigate to Bristol.
Navigating to Bristol.
Yeah, that's pretty good. It all works. You can obviously access Amazon Music. You get access to your maps as well. You can connect whatever you want to connect to, and then you can access. It's currently unavailable because I've not connected it to the playlist yet. And if you click on here, you then access all your apps and stuff that you have on your phone. The ones that obviously would be supported by Android Auto, like news, Ringo, settings, and things like that. So you go to settings, you get your usual settings that you get with Android Auto. This is literally just doing wired to wireless. That's what it's doing. It doesn't have its own set of apps and things. Okay, so that's something that we've looked at now. This is Android that we have looked at. So let's just disconnect that just now. So once you've got the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi disconnected, it does go away. So let's swap with iPhone and let's have a look. Okay, now is what we have. We've got the iPhone, and I'm gonna just quickly go on to Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth. It just needs to be connected. Heading to Bluetooth settings, trying to find the Bluetooth device here, and FBINSE EAC E9AC, that's come up. Pair, allow contacts, no, don't allow contacts. Pairing request, and that should hopefully go through. And once it's gone, it should then start to connect. I do need to charge the car, 46% at the moment, but it does need to get some charge out. Right, pairing request. Okay, FBINSE, clicking again. Let's see if, oh, that's connected now. So it shows connected, and there we are. Connect to CarPlay, yep. So yes, we have connected. Yep, CarPlay's here. Click on it, and there you are. Apple CarPlay's here. It does show the battery on the phone, which is 32%. And you got maps, you got music, you got messages and stuff. Pretty much standard. Click on all the different apps that you have: phone, music, maps, messages, now playing, MG, audiobooks, calendar, settings, Amazon Music, Google Maps, Smart Life, Spotify. Alright, so all works fine. I don't have internet at the moment on this one, so let's try and see if I can connect to Wi-Fi. If I was to connect to Wi-Fi, it will disconnect because it's using Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to connect. So I'm not going to do that because that's basically going to turn off this connection. But yeah, it works. It does work as soon as you connect to Bluetooth to get you onto CarPlay. So it looks pretty good. Looks absolutely fine. All works perfectly fine. And yeah, if I was to move between different apps, messages, just because it's not connected to the internet, but it does obviously show you the route and stuff. But you've obviously seen that in Android, so it's going to be pretty much similar. Look at music. Click on music, you get music access, dismiss, you get to play music, you get to then go to messages and stuff. Everything seems to work perfectly fine. And yeah, go back to all your apps. You can access your calendar, your events, oops, what else, audiobooks. If you wanted to play audiobooks, it's going to work. Of course, internet isn't there, so Spotify, everything looks to be working perfectly fine. It should be hidden somewhere in this corner. You can have a double-sided tape at the back, just stick it on to the top, or stick it onto the side, just connect it onto wires. So this would specifically do CarPlay for you guys in the car. Nice and cheap, very reasonable price. It does do what you need from this device. If you've got any questions or queries, please reach out. And that's it. So just to summarize, we looked at what was inside the box. We looked at the cables, the device, the form factor, everything that was there, the documentation, the instruction manual, and how to get up and running quickly. And then we went into the car and we set the device up, made it up and running. We tested the connection to Android, we tested the connection to iPhone. It all worked perfectly fine. You just need to turn the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi on and then pair the device. Once you've paired, every time you connect to Bluetooth, it will automatically start to work. So a pretty simple set of steps, no rocket science there. It's an easy way, rather cheap way to get you up and running with wireless CarPlay. You'd get 10% discount by using the code MyNextBest. Okay, so in order to get this extra 10% discount, you need to get to the official FBINSE.com website. Select the product from the drop-down menu. You'd see the item with information that specifies what this product is able to do. So wired CarPlay, wired to wireless is what this product is able to do. Add this in your cart and check out. At the time of checkout, all the information you'd add. At the time of checkout, add the code MyNextBest and apply, and you'd see a flat 10% off the cart's value. Now this code is applicable to any other products that you'd like to buy, so go check any other product that makes sense to you. Because you've got the code added already, the 10% gets stripped off of your cart's value automatically. If you like this video and this helped you learn something new today, please give it a big thumbs up, share this video, and humble request to please subscribe to this channel for us to continue to make such awesome content. And as always guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care, cheers, bye.